Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Acrylic paint. Use a primer and acrylic paint on vinyl siding. The painter will use an adhesive primer first, then paint the siding with your brand new color. 100% acrylic paint works best with vinyl siding, as it's lightweight and tightly clings to the vinyl.
Take our lead.
Choose a paint specifically for vinyl siding, as these contain a blend of urethane and acrylic resins to allow for the siding's thermal expansion, the expansion and contraction of the siding due to temperature. To apply the paint, you can use a paint brush, a paint sprayer, a roller, or a combination.
Let's help you make your mark.
Primer shouldn't be necessary before painting vinyl siding, unless the surface is pitted or the original color has faded so much that the siding panels have become porous. In that case, be sure to find primer specifically made for vinyl siding and brush that on before painting. 24 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One of the primary factors comes down to the area where you live. However, Angie's List estimates that the cost of painting old siding is between $99 and $242 per 300 square feet. When you compare this to the cost of vinyl siding replacement, it can be as much as 60% less to paint your siding. 5 December 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.